Hip rolls. Hip rolls is quite a challenging move, and I really like this move because if you're not doing it right, you're not gonna feel anything. So it's one of these that you need to be feeling something. So for hip rolls, you start in your neutral pelvis. So your hips, so think of your cup of tea, your shoulders are relaxed, neck is lengthened. So for your hip rolls, your feet are going to come together. And you want to imagine that your knees and your ankles and your hips are like one unit. So think of a mermaid's tail. So what Paul's going to do is you're going to take a breath in, allow your pelvis to become heavy, and you're going, if you go towards that side, Paul, this side, yeah. So you're going to think of lifting this bum cheek, but you want the knees to stay together. So what happens is this foot will come off. So often, if you relax this one a little bit, Paul, this foot will stay on the floor, and you'll notice the knees, there's a gap in the knees there. So if you lift that one up again. So all this is being done by the core. You're just aiming to lift this bottom cheek. And you want to keep your rib cage down on the floor, and of course your shoulders are nice and relaxed. And then come back. Again, the breathing on this one, you know, I'll tend to exhale as I move. You can do an inhale on the way back, or you can hold it there for an inhale, providing you're keeping that belly button pulled in. Good. And allow yourself to come back. So often what people will do is they'll just drop the hips down to the side and then it starts lifting the back up. And you will notice, because it's easy, if you're doing this properly, you're going to be feeling the work around the tummy. So basically your feet should feel relatively light, they shouldn't be jammed into the floor. And that is hip rolls. What was it good for? Yeah, that's a good question. It's a very good core exercise around here, and it just controls the lower parts of the spine. So you're getting a bit of rotation in the bottom part, but under control, so you're not just allowing your hips to turn left and right. Lovely job, thank you, and yeah, thank you very much. Bye.